Good morning, students. As you know, we have completed first unit from your textbook. Okay. So from today we will revise that. Okay. I will explain each and every chapter in detail. Okay. And if still you have any doubt, okay, then please feel free to ask me. Okay. So today we start with the first poem, that is A Time to Believe. Okay. So first we will see warming up session. Okay. So let's start. So the first thing is think, choose and fill up the labels with what a sunrise symbols. So here are some qualities of sun. Okay, given in the bracket. Okay, you have to choose the right qualities. Okay, or the right things that resembles to sun, that symbolizes sun. Okay, and write it down in their blocks. So what are the qualities or words? Jewelry or art or hope or birth or anger or new opportunities or good manners or inspiration or new achievements, happiness, misery, bright moments, new aims, money, new surprises. So let's see which are the qualities that resembles or symbolize the sun. So first is jewelry. So you can see the picture of sun is looking like a jewelry. Okay, it is looking like a necklace. Okay, so jewelry symbolizes sun. So it is the first. Art. So it is art. No, you can see sun is looking very beautiful. Okay, so art is also goes with the sun. Hope. Oh, so as you know, sun rises every morning. Okay, so it is giving us hope. So it also symbolizes sun. Birth means also every day sun takes birth from ocean. Okay, so the birth is also goes with sun. Then anger. So anger, I think anger also goes with sun. Okay, because sun is very hot. Okay, very angry. Looks like at the afternoon time it looks like it is very angry. So it also goes with sun. New opportunities. Okay, so this also goes with sun because we think every day we will get new opportunities. Okay, so it is also goes with sunrise. Good manners, I think no, good manners doesn't go with that. Okay, then inspiration. Okay, it also goes with sunrise. Okay, new achievements. Okay, so all new things. Okay, new opportunities, achievements comes under sunrise. Happiness. Okay, the sun is always looks like happy, so it also goes with that. Misery, it doesn't go with that. Okay, bright moments. So you can see sun is always bright. Okay, sunrise is very bright. So yes, it symbolizes bright moments. New aims. So again, it is a new thing. So all new things symbolizes by sunrise. Okay, money. Okay, it also goes with it, and new surprises. So all these come under sun. Only what things? Good manners and misery. Okay, doesn't go with sunrise. Okay, so now let's see second part. An acrostic is a poem or a write-up in which the first letter of each line forms a word when it is read vertically. For example, faithful, reliable, inspiring, encouraging, noble, dedicated. Okay, so now see, if you connect all the first letters from each line, then what word is formed? Friend. Okay, so in this way, with your benchmate or group, complete the acrostic of belief and faith. So they have given two acrostics, belief and faith. We have to complete that. Okay, we will complete one. After that, another one, you take it as homework. Okay, so let's see. We will complete the acrostic of believe. So let's start. B for be certain of. E for expect. L for love. I for idealize. E for endorse. V for value. And E for emerge strong. Okay, so this is acrostic of believe. Now you have to complete it for faith. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to complete the first question. Okay, you have to fill that blocks with qualities of sunrise, and you have to complete acrostic of faith. Okay, thank you.